Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The present appeals are directed against the interim order passed by the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan on 29th May, 2020 and 10th June, 2020, whereby in an intra-court appeal, the High Court passed an order of status quo with a further direction that other formalities may proceed, but the contract shall not be signed with the leave of the court. Stop. Para. The Rajasthan State Warehousing Corporation Limited is in appeal aggrieved against the said interim order. Stop. It is argued by the learned counsel for the appellant that the tender was given for warehouses at 71 locations on 12th March 2020 for operation and management of the warehouses under public-private participation within bracket PPP model. Stop. Certain queries were raised by the writ petitioners before the High Court within bracket respondents herein. In respect of class 5 of 5(1) of the notice inviting bid. Stop. Such class reads as under. Para. The bidder bracket open either directly or through its 100% owned subsidiary bracket close should have experience in preservation, maintenance and storage of not less than 4 lakh MT on an average basis for last 3 financial years, bracket open, that is 2016 to 17 to 2018 to 19, bracket close, of MSP, procured food grain, pulses, oil seeds, etc. of central / state government agencies at par with CWC / SWC / FCI / NAFED, etc. in any state / union territory across India. Stop. Para. There was pre-bid conference and thereafter certain clarifications / amendments were issued. Stop. The class 5 of within bracket 5 was retained as such. Stop. The writ petitions were filed challenging the tender conditions and the clarification issued. Stop. Such writ petitions were dismissed by the learned single bench of the High Court on 19th May, 2020. Stop. It was on 20th May, 2020, technical bids were opened and the appellants in civil appeals arising out of special leave petitions within bracket civil numbers 78342 to 7839 of 2020 and special leave petitions within bracket civil numbers 7935 to 7936 of 2020 were found to be successful bidders. Stop. A letter of intent was issued on 21st May 2020. Stop. In an intra-court appeal, the High Court passed the following order. Para. DB Civil Special Appeal within bracket W number 362/2020, DB Civil Special Appeal within bracket W number 364/2020 and DB Civil Special Appeal within bracket W number 372/2020. Copies of the appeals be served on the counsel for the intervener through email. Stop. Reply affidavit, if any, be filed on or before 5/6/2020 and be exchanged by the parties. Stop. List on 10/6/2020. Stop. In the meantime, status quo as on date shall be maintained till the next date. Stop. Other formalities may proceed, but the contract shall not be signed without leave of this court. Stop.